Remember say you're a producer, you know. You can't out there do certain things. You need a couple foot soldier your foot. If you know say alright, them lock off certain things. And you need people there for lock off your back too. So you know them things, bro.
Yo, only two ways this are going. So if it's a business, the money way and the barter way.
Barter way.
Stick and broken areas. Bad man, me find somewhere for put you. And I tell you say I want two things. And you bring one. And you see the one here, you want teeth feet. So you go sort out that and then me talk.
Alright, brother. I'll ask you something. That place is safe? The last time my father is studio, people pop up.
Then the studio there, brother. You're lucky more people never pop up. So at this you know say me I do a serious favor for you right now, you know, boy.
Remember say, $1 for that, you know. So trade off.
You think me a blood idiot? Eh? You think this can match up to your life? I save your life.
Brother man, a warrior, you know. A bush me live in, and I can tug out that.
How long you would have survived over that? Eh? What day would you over a student where we see 10 Jeep load ahead to a bush? You'd have dead over that. You see the man we are going to kill, you know see him save it too. If I never pun you, wouldn't know where he's still there.
You're a real youth, you know, my youth. Yeah man, that's some more of the business with you. So me, you know, it will make you rich. And nobody now gonna know say you know it. We just need you to forget about 4 dog road, man. Forget things straight.
Yo, you say if me I go do this, and me have to link you at all time. You can't link me. And you see if me get the soldier them for you, and me them have to take talk from.
Another pick.
You can't me no other way.
Alright, Batman. Deal.
So when you bring the next two and the teeth for them, we have a deal. And the place safe, yeah. Just lower out the front page.
Wow, miss. I can see you put the paint to good use.
Yes, I did. And thank you for donating it. Look good, don't it?
Yeah, so what you get to do it for you?
I did it myself, you know.
Really? I guess you're multi-talented.
You have to be multi-talented now because when your school don't have enough support, you just have to do it yourself.
Yeah, me rate that, miss. So how was the cake sale?
It was okay now, but I was looking more support, but I still give God thanks.
Okay. Well, I'm going to talk to some people, you know, see how I can get you some assistance, yeah?
I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Mad dog. Yeah, dude, me just show you what me get man. But here on the more you can link me later, bro, when it does up. You see, we have a thing to talk about. No, man, me have to sit now in the studio, bro. I don't want to fall now, man. You see, me just link me later, man. Yeah, man, that's a 40.
Okay, miss. Just go and take care of the kids them and keep on doing a good job, yeah?
Will do. Thank you.
Partner, yeah, David. Think you link me up. So now I can finish up with him. Yeah. So I'm going to send a car for you, brother. But here we are. At the same time I'm free, just make me know. You see? So how can I work here?
Butcha!
Yo, I'm not here.
Butcha!